Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Today we have the WL Toys 144001 and the carbon fibre top brace and shock towers. I bought these to fit them on to show you guys that they fitted fine and that you should buy them. Unfortunately they don't fit at all. Well, the shock towers do, that's good, but the actual centre brace does not. Let me show you. Okay, before I get started, please remember to subscribe to the channel to let me know that I'm doing a good job and you get to see more content. Now, I have already taken this car apart because I've taken this car apart about a million times, so you've all seen that anyway. Strange. So this is already loose, but it doesn't matter because this does not fit. And let me show you. Right, make sure I get it the right way around, like so once I push it in the front here, as you can tell, it does look nice though, doesn't it? Hear that? So it fits there, fits there and there, and fits at the rear. But look what it's doing with that gear. It is chock-a-block on that gear. It is clearing along here just, and on that side just, but obviously along here. So those that wish to obviously just, you know, take, maybe if I scratch it like so, you can see, take sort of that out of it. Yeah, or something like that, then you could get it to work. Of course, let me just pull that up. These two holes also do not fit, and those two holes, if I'm not mistaken, are here and there. So you could not have these two holes drilled through because it would be too close to that one. And of course, if you do sort of sand this away, you are going to make this a little bit weaker, which is kind of defeating the object of having a stronger brace there, isn't it? So unfortunately, that does not fit. Now it cost me, hopefully you can see, yes, 12 UK pounds. It was actually only 10.53. So if you get free postage, it will cost you 10.53 for the set. Now let me show you obviously this car is a bit of a donor car right now, but I just wanted to give you a quick idea. Didn't even notice. See how bent that is? My God, this took a battering. This fits perfectly fine. As you can tell, everything does line up, and the same on the rear here. You can tell that they fit perfectly fine. So you can use those, and if you're willing on sanding this a little bit with your Dremel, for example, then you know, you could make it fit. But I will not be using this because I honestly think if you take anything out of that, you could potentially just weaken it a little too much. So there you go, save your money if you were thinking about buying this, unless of course you want the shock towers, and I'm not sure if these are sold separately, but if they are, just buy these, that will be perfectly fine. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.